Kaveh, violinist and music educator, back today with another lesson in the series called Essential Elements for Strings, Book 2. We're on to Book 2, and you're going to want to open up your book, Essential Elements for Strings, with the purple stripe at the top, to page 36. Also, you're going to want to make sure your violin is in tune by tuning with the tuner that we talked about in a previous lesson. And if you missed that last lesson, hopefully you practiced it for a week. It's on my channel, and you can click on my name, find the playlist that's called Essential Elements for Strings, Book 2. This is going to be a play-along lesson today, so hopefully you know how to slow down and use a metronome to practice about 4 measures at a time, 3 or 4 times in a row, before adding it together, and then playing the whole song super slow, about 10 or 15,000 times before going any faster with your metronome. And you're going to be playing the A parts on all of these tunes, and I'll play the A part along with you. Here we go. Here's 159. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Going on to 160 in the bleak midwinter. Don't forget about the key signature of F major. And you're going to play along with me on the A part. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, going on to Swallowtail Jig, 161. Look at all the repeat signs in this one. There's a lot of repeat signs, first and second endings, and also accents and dynamics and crescendos, decrescendos, all that stuff. And you can play with me now. I'll count to 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. All right, good work, people. Kind of a short lesson today, really just a play along. You're going to have to do all the work this week. Sorry, buddy. And practice this stuff. All right, good work again. My name's Kaveh. Thank you so much for playing along with me today. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the like button down below. You're going to want to hit the notification bell also so you're aware of the new lesson when it comes up next week. And if you're still here, you could check out some music that I wrote on my YouTube channel and also some product reviews, or go for a walk and have some fun outside. All right, people. Peace. See you in the next one.